I've partnered with Loom-TEC as an authorized dealer of their watches. Go to LÜM-TEC.com, email me at DougFNJWatches@gmail.com for special pricing towards any watch on their online store, along with a free gift. LÜM-TEC is a US-based watch manufacturer out of Ohio. All LÜM-TEC watches are designed, assembled, and tested by American hands in Ohio using premium US-based materials. Back in 2004, the owner Chris began in the industry doing watch modifications and relooming dials. Chris started his business as a watch enthusiast and ultimately grew into the Luminova brand in 2008. The first watches were initially Panerai inspirations, a take on the basic Panerai that he put his own design creativity in. I did a review on the Tungsten M6 12 years ago. Over the years, listening to customer feedback and increasing the amounts of models and styles, LÜM-TEC has a large selection of watches that could suit any style at very reasonable prices. The watches are also manufactured in limited numbered quantities. Now, onto the unboxing. Alright, so to get into the unboxing, as you can see, it's a plain white box with the LÜM-TEC logo on the top, and on the side here, it gives you the model number and your individual number on the side. And you open up the box, and you're greeted with a nice certificate here, and it's letting you know that it is fully tested and has passed the highest standard of quality control. And it tells you the name of the model, the serial number, and the movement. And getting into the box, you have a black leatherette type of a box here. And it's plain on the side. You have the LÜM-TEC logo on the top. And opening up the top here, you have your limited warranty, once again with the model, serial number, date of purchase, and the retailer. And you have Chris's business card. And on the sides here, this is the extra strap that I ordered, the gator strap. And as you notice, it comes with the bronze buckle there. Same thing on the right here. You have your silicone straps, also with the bronze buckle. Keep in mind it's stainless steel with PVD coating for the bronze color. And you have extra spring bars. And of course, you have the watch. Today I'll be reviewing the Lum-Tec M89 Bronze. Now if you like this review, please click the like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of future reviews. I'm turning 50 next year, and they were nice enough to send me number 73 of 100 for my birth year. The M89 Bronze features a solid bronze case and screw-down crown. It's 44 millimeters wide by 51 millimeters lug to lug by 13.8 millimeters thick, including the domed sapphire. It weighs 112 grams, and the M89 Bronze is 200 meter water resistant. Bronze is becoming a popular material by a lot of manufacturers. It's heavy, and it develops a patina unique to the user. That patina is part of the character of bronze and happens over time, or you could speed up or reverse the process using chemicals. The M89 is finely brushed throughout the case. The crown is signed, screwed down, and dual sealed. It's got the curved sapphire on the top, along with military-grade AR coating, along with a sapphire see-through case back. It's got a sand texture matte black dial with the date showing between a 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock markers. The logo is printed below the 12 and automatic printed above the 6. This watch features insane lume applied to the dial markers and hands with LÜM-TEC's proprietary MDV luminous technology. MDV stands for Maximum Darkness Visibility. MDV is a 6 to 8 layer application of Super Luminova applied over a chemical-coated base. What results is incredibly bright, long-lasting lume that LÜM-TEC is named and known for, as you can see here. The M89 Bronze arrives on handmade leather straps with bronze-colored PVD buckle. It also comes with extra custom molded rubber straps, also with a buckle, and you can also purchase additional strap options on the website. I also ordered the gator style straps. Here's how the leather looks on my 7.5-inch wrist. It's very soft and comfortable. I like the use of the threading by the lugs, and the darker leather with the threads highlights the bronze. And here it is on the rubber straps. They're very flexible, very soft, very comfortable. And as you can see, they put the logo along the top. And here it is on the gator straps. I really like the texture that they used along the top, along with the threading that they used. It's a very thick, very firm type of a leather, but once it breaks in, it really conforms nicely to the wrist. It's also very comfortable. Now here's a comparison with the Panerai 1312 Luminor. As you can see, the size is very comparable. The biggest difference, of course, is the crown guard on the Panerai versus just the crown on the Lume-TEC. So if you like Panerai, but you can't really pull off the pricing on that, this is a great cost-effective alternative, and you're getting a very high-quality watch, naturally made in America. Inside the M89 Bronze runs the Swiss Sellita SW200-1 automatic movement with a self-winding mechanism with ball bearings. Sellita is a rock-solid movement. They regulate it to better than COSC standards from plus to minus 3 seconds per day in 6 positions. LÜM-TEC offers free timing adjustments, seal cleaning, and pressure testing for the life of the watch, and that's on top of the 2-year manufacturer warranty. I've been in the market for a bronze watch for a while, and this was one of the best examples that I've seen. It's a strap monster, which makes it incredibly versatile with the included straps or the tons of aftermarket straps available out there. These straps are 24mm at the lugs and 22mm at the buckle. Now, if you like a nice, thick, heavy watch and you want to change up the rotation from stainless steel, this is a great option to look at. The heavy application of Super Luminova stays charged for hours. The service that you get from LÜM-TEC is superior to what you're going to get from many other brands. And when you call or email the company, the response time is fast. I review a lot of watches, but I only partner with companies I fully believe in. So as I mentioned up front, I've partnered with LÜM-TEC to be an authorized dealer. Go to LÜM-TEC.com and email me at DougFNJWatches@gmail.com with the watch that you want for special pricing and a free gift. I'm also going to add that to the video description. So if you like this review, please click the like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of new reviews. Please also leave a remark in the comments. I love hearing from you. You can also find me on Twitter at DougFNJ, and of course WatchYouSeek.com for great watch discussion. I want to thank you again for watching, be safe, and have a great day.